Uninstall apps on Fire TV Stick. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to uninstall an app on your Fire TV Stick. It's a very simple process, folks. So let's go. On your remote, access the Fire TV Stick settings by clicking this gear icon. Now folks, scroll down on your remote to access the apps option. Press the OK button or Center button. Here you can manage installed apps, clear all app caches, access the App Store, or free up space automatically. We'll click on the first option, Manage Installed Apps. Again, Center button, and here you'll see all your installed apps. You can view them alphabetically by pressing the OK button or sort by app size or most recent apps. I'll select app size to see which apps are taking up the most space here on the Fire TV Stick. For example, Global Play is the largest at 190 megabytes, using up space. Now you'll select the app. So I'm going to uninstall this one here, folks. I'll click the center button and choose the uninstall option. Now confirm again, center button here. Now you confirm once more, press OK to confirm. So if I go back, folks, the app has been uninstalled. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.